the price can go up. Well, here have a look at this small inverse head and shoulders pattern forming on Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. Generally these patterns are bullish patterns. Here let me show you its upside target, which is also coming at approximate $29,820 level. The same level where I have drawn the rectangle box, because there is a Fibonacci golden level also. And if you are getting confused, then you should definitely check my Twitter. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. This is how to amp money in bear market. So as I told you in my previous video that the price has to come to the rectangle box, because of May confluence such as the important golden level and inverse head and shoulder pattern. And yes, it did came all the way up there. So as the Bitcoin price came up to my rectangle box exactly, I was ready to add more funds to my short trade, but unfortunately, I got a little late, because when I noticed the price had already got to my target and rejected from there. But I don't care, I still added more money in my short position, because I believe in my analysis. Okay, so now, here, as you can see this orange horizontal line at $29,100 level, well, this is a very important zone for Bitcoin price for few hours. Because if the price break this line to the downside, then it will be confirmed that it will go all the way down to $27,000 level, the pink box I have drawn. But if the price do not crosses this line to the downside and makes it as a support and goes up, then again it will go to my rectangle box, because it is a very important level, and there are chance that the price can go even more higher from there. Okay, so before showing you my live Bitcoin short position trade on Bybit. Okay, so now let me show you one more important analysis. I hope you remember this Bitcoin parabolic curve support on the weekly time frame. Okay, so as the price broke the curve support to the downside with significant high volume, as I told you according to my analysis. And so there are still high chances that the price can go up to the $30,000 or maybe $31,000 level, because as it broke with a huge downside candle, so there are chances for it to go up slightly for a retest. But, accordingly, if everything works out well, then there is no need to fear, because after that the price has to fall again down. Then it has to go to $27,000 level.